Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Hamza and my roll number is 2020 mining 27 from mining department. So today we have a very important topic, which is that how we can make our boss happy. So it is very common that all of us approximately we work in the offices and under our boss, and it is very common also that boss they are not happy on us. So in today video we will discuss that how can we make our boss happy on our work that we did in our company. So guys, here is the rule number one, that first thing is that be honest and keep your words. uh, it's mean that guys, be honest with everything you do. If you are not going to do something, don't give stories. Tell the truth and accept your fault. For example, when you are at fault, you should have to claim your fault. And with this, the boss will very impressed with you, and he will support you. And here is the second one. I know situations are something not in our favor. uh, Instead of making stories and dropping things at last moments, it is always better to tell the truth. It is okay if you are not carrying a good news. This means that always you should need to work hard and give the reports of your work to your boss regularly, that he can understand your work capability and as well as what you are doing. Now take a look at the third one, that open up your ears and pay attention. This is very important, that your boss takes you as a very competent employee, and you need to make sure that he is right about you. If you prove him wrong, you are for sure going to be in his bad books. You need to be always on your marks with details of projects and relevant answers. That means that you should need to work according to that which your boss suggests you in the meetings and in the consultants. So you need to work hard on that only, which about the boss is telling you. Now take a look at another one, which is that take your job seriously. If you are not taking your job seriously, bosses are not going to take you seriously either. Don't make him think that you are there for your salary only. If you are really concerned about yearly increment, and you need to make sure that your boss is happy with your performance, it means that you should take your work seriously for making your job permanent. You should need to improve your time routine and work routine. So take a look at the another one, business. If you want to be in the good books of your employer, make sure that you are treating his dreams as yours. Instead of making him feel happy, you must not support a decision that is going to affect the business as a whole. It means that take your work seriously and take the dreams of your boss as yours. Because if the dreams of your boss comes true, then your dreams can also come true. So take a look at the last one. It means that provide solutions at work. Simply do not be a complaining woman, because no one likes a crying baby. Do work hard for yourself, crying for nothing. Honestly, those who complain all